So a financial solution, you may be in a situation where financially you like, damn, I need money. I want to get this credit repair stuff, but I ain't even got the money to do that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got nothing. I ain't even got $100, right? Been there, done that, got the shirt and the hat to match, right? So I give you a quick website. Go to figloans.com, right? To see if you can get a couple $100 or whatever in your pocket. Like I said, I mean, we all go through things, right, financially, whether it's with credit, loans, mortgage, cars, child care, daycare, whatever, child support, whatever you may be behind in. But there's always a solution to everything. Anything made can be unmade. Anything broken can be fixed, right? So that's what repair is, credit repair. You know what I'm saying? Anything broken, you broke your credit by not paying your bill or not having the education or understanding on how to properly utilize credit, so now it needs repair or restored. So it can be done. If you don't have the money, you can get the ebook. Well, if you don't have the money for the full restoration, you can get the ebooks for a lower price. If you don't have the money for neither or, just pay attention to the videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.